Working on a prototype diesel 10. This shade was picked closest match according to online info about diesel 10 close to the TV show, TV series. It's not like the Trackmaster toy line, so I tried to get close to the whatever you've seen on TV. It was either this or another shade, so I'll give you an update as how it develops. I'm gonna give you an update on this new shade, testing the shade. So hopefully we can get good results. What's your opinion of this model? I'm still working on the Pinchy new design. New design for Pinchy. Well, this is the first step on this diesel 10.